Hi, let's learn test development with Cypress. Right-click on under E2E, add new folder. I'm gonna call it tests. And under tests, as you can see here, Cypress files like todo.cypress.js. So under tests, I'm creating new file. Gonna call it salary.sci.javascript. First thing first, we need to add Cypress reference. Simply copy from example, // reference type Cypress, copy exactly as is, add it, and immediately save your file. That's it. Now we are good. After which, we need to see the AUT or application under test. For application under test, I selected 3 candidates. Salary calculator with typical fields, drop down. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first click clear, then I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna select a choice. I'm gonna enter hours per week, days, holidays, vacation, click calculate here. Then loan calculator, same clear, application, selection, choice, and so on. And mortgage, same clear. Then I'm gonna uncheck include taxes cost below, clear, gonna make my choices, click calculate. To understand Cypress, you need to understand 2 basic things. If you call for Cypress Mocha, you need to understand basic thing about Cypress has adopted Mocha behavior-driven development syntax. First thing in Mocha, it describes your individual tests. It can come under inside describe, which describes the group of related tests. Then exactly like in Playwright, you can skip some tests inside the describe, some of it. You can run only, something run before, after, before each, and after each it method. So I'm gonna copy this one link and I start my first function. I'm typing it. In it, first is gonna be description, salary calculator, then comma, after which you type function, which is void function. That's it. Usually in Java or other, you type function, parentheses for parameters, and curly, this one, curly brackets. Okay. Indeed, function in Cypress is substituted by so-called callback function. Exactly like this. File save this structure. And let's start typing our first Cypress test. First of all, we need to raise a URL. Cypress visit command. No semicolon is required. Only URL. Right now we file save, so that's how you start. You start with it, which is individual test description, callback function. And simply speaking, you start with visiting some site. Save and type simple command npx Cypress open. npx Cypress open. Click enter on your keyboard. First of all, I select E2E testing, then Chrome browser, start testing in Chrome browser. Okay, visit spec, select your file, or my file, which is in this case a salary, and I click on it. Salary calculator right here, wait. This is our calculator page on which we're gonna be working. Now please notice, by default, this is the resolution and by default it's resoluting the screen. We can change during run from Chrome Edge, Electron, Firefox. And right now I simply slide down and using my control keyboard and mouse scroll up, scroll down, I'm gonna select the size. Okay, first of all, I'll go back. You see this button, click on it, and you're gonna click on element to see a suggested selector. Click on this button. I'm gonna bring back the size. Click, and first of all, I'm gonna select here clear button. As you can see, Cypress detected type of button. There is copy to clipboard. I go back to my Visual Studio and I paste it. What do I want with click button? I want to click on it. There is no semicolon needed here. Now I come back to same screen. If I need with control, mouse up, mouse button, I enlarge it. And I'm gonna detect next one, amount. Cypress get amount. I copy it. I return back. What do I want with amount? I want to type in something. Per hour, let's say 35. Next, I return back. Allocate next element. This one drop down. And this is a select. Copy. Paste it. This is a drop down select. So I'm using select. And select what? There was a clear first choice day. Then I return back again. Next choice is hours per week. I click it. As you can see here, Cypress get hours. Copy. Return back hours. We need to type. How many hours per week? Let's say 40. Return back. days per week. Cypress get days. I'm just displaying it. If you know it, type how many days, let's say 5 days per week. Coming back. Holidays. Cypress get holidays. Copy. Holidays. Same type. Holidays per year, probably 12. Come back. Finally, vacation. Vacation. Here. Copy to clipboard. Come back, vacations. Type. Vacations, probably at least 14. And to finish it all, button calculate, because I'm still in this. First I clicked here, then element, I'm still in this mode. Button calculate, which is type of submit. Copy. And on submit button, we want to click. Now, at this point, I can come here to Cypress and I can close it. And close it. First of all, I select E2E testing, which is configured already. Then I'd like to start with Chrome browser and start E2E testing in Chrome. We're right now in specs. I go to salary file, which we just created. Click on it, simply speaking. Right now, I'm gonna be looking here at this side, at all steps execution. Here, to my left side. It's running. As you can see, it's executing all our statement. Very good, very good. Exactly what we wanted. And finally get 200 response, which is, as you can see, green arrow passed. Now, I want to enlarge it. At maximum I can. I can go to spec again and see it visually. Visualize it. This is my salary. Execution started visually. Okay, good. Same result. Now, I want to execute it here. You can change from Chrome, from Edge, and so on. I want to execute it in Edge. Starting in Edge. Execution goes. Very good. Passed again. Now I'll switch Firefox. You can see it automatically switching to Firefox. Very good. Response is 200. Switched. Now we can come here and say close. And return here. No. This is one it. Okay. I want to clear again. Good. Now I need to make same, to input same into group. That's why I start describe. Describe. First of all, group calculator, group, calculator group. Then I copy exactly same. Now you see we created a group. Now I like this is right. I cut it, my individual test, our individual test. I cut it and I enter here. This is first salary calculator based on daily salary calculator. Now I come here and I paste it again. I say salary weekly calculator. I'm gonna change it to weekly. Weekly, in weekly, if I weekly amount, let's say like that. I'm changing it to weekly. I want another group, let's say. Let me check it. Per hour, per day, per week properly, and per month, week and month. So first of all, I'm coming where I put weekly week. And here I'm gonna enter months. Okay, per month, let's say months, hours, months probably 160 hours, 5 days a week and so on. Okay, here hours will be different per week, 4 by 4. Daily was day, hours should be 8 here indeed, days 5. Then here week, hours 40, and months hour approximately like that. Okay, so we created a group right now. Daily salary calculator, weekly salary calculator, and monthly salary calculator. Okay. File, save. Now I wanna run it. npx open. npx Cypress open. Enter. I'm choosing Kitui. First candidate is Chrome. I'm in spec. I'm looking for my salary. Let me see the execution. First goes. Second goes. Third goes. Very good. Very good. Like it. So what's now? Calculator group here. Here is a calculator group. Let me check it. I want to enlarge it. Here, salary file, calculator group, daily salary calculator past, weekly salary calculator past, and monthly past. Very good. As you can see, clear result. Come back, I close, return back, close this one, and I want to clear my terminal. Okay. First test, as you can see, we created one test using it, Cypress Mocha it. Then we executed it. We made sure it's executable in multi-browser. Then we copy pasted. We simply changed the drop-down selections here each time. And we added it to group to describe. Now I wanna add another test. New file. And this time I'm gonna choose probably mortgage calculator. .sci.js. That's it. First of all, copy paste this one, reference immediate. Let's copy it. Salary was tested already. Cut off everything. You've seen how to do it already. And substitute the link itself. File, save. Let's execute it. npx Cypress open simple open command. etui, we're working at etui. I'll start with Chrome. We're in spec. Here it is, mortgage. Mortgage. Click on it. And let's work it out. Exactly like we did it last time. Okay, first of all, I click here. I click on selectors. Click. This time, I know what I'm doing. So I simply I'm not gonna enlarge even. I'm gonna copy. Come in here. Let's roll. Click. This is clear button. Next one. I know what I'm doing. I wanna check it. This one, checkbox. Let me enlarge it. I wanna click this checkbox. Here it is. Copy it. Come back. This is a checkbox. I want to click on it. Then starting again. I'm clicking on it. Now let's go. Home price. House price. Type. Type what? Let's say 350,000. During this, we can already bet our weights. Then come back. Down payment. I know it's down payment. I'm not even looking. Down payment type. Let's say $50,000. Whatever. Much. Okay. Then I return back. Long term. Copy. As you can see, I'm not even looking. Type. Let's say 20 years. Then interest rate. I click, I return back, interest rate, type. Let's say 5.5. Right here. Then this drop down. This is drop down, select. Let me check the options. I'm right here. I want to see. Let's start with May. May. Now I'll put weight here. Come back. This one. Here. Type of 2025. Add your weight if you like it. Finally, this calculate button, which is type of submit, you remember. Copy. Want to click on it. That's it. Come here, select this, close, close, go to File, Save, and clear your terminal, period. Okay, so for we're gonna rename it mortgage payment calculator. I go to File, Save. All looks legit so far. Let's probably execute it at this point. NPX, Cypress, open. E2, doesn't matter which one. Okay, let's start in Chrome. Mortgage selected. Okay. Down payment. Home price, down payment. We didn't select the drop down. In percentage. Okay, no problem. That's why we need to run it. I'll close. Go, okay. Clear. Was supposed to provide a percentage. Let's put it 10%. That's it. File, save, npx, press, open. Mortgage, All good, as you can see. All steps passed. Very good. Now I'd like to change it to age. Very good result. I'm happy. Firefox. It's not an easy screen, it's pretty busy, as you can see. Website has a pretty busy screen. Okay, we got our 200 here. All the steps, as you can see. Everything was selected here. Mortgage payment calculator. Everything is just fine. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay. Let's close it. Close. Close. Okay, at this point, doesn't make sense to go to another calculator. As you can see, you got the picture. You learned how to create it. You learned, first of all, what is Cypress Mocha. Okay, first of all, we started with it. It's pretty simple in Cypress. Test description, callback function. We recorded the test. Then we created a group. We infiltrated this group with tests. However, we changed the drop-down value. And we created pretty much same mortgage style. Here is a checkbox, was used to be. Here was a drop-down, this one. Okay, now you know how to create normal automation test using Cypress. See you in the next lecture.